Hello, friends. Good morning. Buenos dias. ¿Cómo están? How are you? I'm doing great. Mr. Rob here again, back with another video. For today's video, we're going to do some arts. We're going to draw different animals with colored pencils or anything you have, a crayon, using different shapes. We're going to use circles, some triangles, some ovals, some rectangles, and we're going to draw some different animals, all right? I hope you enjoy. So, for this first animal we're drawing, I'm going to use purple and black. And I'm going to draw an octopus using only circles and half circles. So, let's begin. First, we're going to draw a circle. See? Easy so far. And then we're going to draw 8 tentacles. An octopus has 8 tentacles. So now we're going to do half circles to draw the tentacles. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tentacles. And now I'm going to use the black to draw the eyes. And for the eyes, all we're going to do is draw a nice semicircle or half circle. And then we color it in. And then we'll give them a mouth, drawing a circle here and some lines. See? And then we'll color our nice little octopus in with our purple. There he is. And he's blowing bubbles, see? An octopus lives in the ocean, in the water. Now let's see. Now I am going to draw a piggy, oink oink, using circles and ovals. Let's begin. And for the piggy, I'm going to use pink. So for his head, we can draw a nice big circle. And then in the middle, we'll draw an oval. And that'll be his nose. And then with our black, we're going to draw some circles. And there's his nose. And then we'll do some more circles right here for his eyes. And then we'll color those in. We'll give him a nice big smile. Now I'm going to give him some small ears. This time I'm actually going to use some half circles. And then for his body, now I'm going to draw an oval. An oval is like a circle, but it's a little bit longer. And that's not perfect, but that's okay. And then for its legs, I'll draw some more circles. There we go. Easy. Now we have a little piggy. Oink, oink. And then I'll give him a nice squiggly tail. See how easy that was? For this next animal, I'm going to draw Dory, which is actually called a blue tang. So for Dory, I'm going to use blue to make her body. And to start off, I'm going to make a nice big oval. And then I'm going to give Dory an eye right here. And a little nose. And a big old smile. So, now that I've made the body of Dory using an oval, I can use yellow to make a triangle to make the back fin. Look at that. Easy. All we did was draw a triangle and an oval. And then we can draw another triangle right here. And then we'll color Dory in. And that's it. Really simple. What else can I draw? Ooh, I know. I can draw a duck. Quack, quack. Let's see. So, to start with the duck, we're going to draw a nice big circle right here for the head. And then we're going to give the Mr. Ducky a body. We just draw an oval. And then I'll draw a triangle with the black for his wing. Well, it's more like an oval actually. That works. Why not? And then I'll use this orange color to give Mr. Ducky a beak. And to make a beak, I'll just draw a triangle. And then we'll color it in. And then we'll color in the rest of Mr. Ducky. Now let's give Mr. Ducky some eyes. We can just draw a nice little oval. There we go, and I'll give Mr. Ducky a big smile. And then I'll color the nose. I'll color in his head. See? And there we have it. A little ducky. Quack, quack. What else can I draw using just shapes? Let me see. I can draw a big, mean shark. For the shark, I'm going to use my blue. And it's going to be really close to what Dory was like. So let's see. We're going to start off with an oval. And then I will give him a great big tail fin. And then using a triangle, I made the tail fin. And with another triangle, I'm going to make a top fin. And one down here. And then time for the eyes. And he's a big mean shark, so we're gonna give him a big old frown and make him look angry. And we'll give him some nice sharp pointy teeth. Ouch! And then we'll color him in. Now I am going to draw a bee. Buzz, buzz. So for the bee, we're going to start off with a nice big oval shape. And then we can give him a triangle on his bottom for his stinger. I'll color that in really quickly. And then bees are black and yellow, so I'll give this bee some black stripes. And I made the stripes using a rectangle shape. Let's do another rectangle. And then just one more. And then I'll color in the rest of its body. Now let's give it a head. And for the head, we're going to draw a circle. And then I'll use black to, I'll use black to make some eyes and a nice big smile. See, almost done. We forgot the wings, which are easy. For the wings, we're going to do 2 half circles, starting here. And we just do this. See, half a circle and half a circle. And then we color them in. And there you go. We have a nice little bee. Buzz, buzz. All right, last drawing. For this one, I am going to draw, how about a turtle? So, to make our turtle, we're going to start with a nice big half circle. We'll give him a big shell. Do you know why turtles have shells? Well, turtles have shells because that protects them from other animals that want to eat them. Turtles' shells are really heavy. It's like they're carrying their house on their back, like a backpack. So let's see. Well, I made this the half circle, and I'm going to make some different shapes. Let's see. Let's do a diamond. We'll do a diamond there. A diamond here. One here. And then one more right there. Well, let's put one more right here. Okay. And then I'll color in my diamonds. And I'll color in the rest of the turtle shell. Let's make these diamonds just a little bit darker. Okay, and then for the head, we'll just draw a a little neck right here. And then a bigger circle, a little circle right there. That could be his head. And then using our black, we'll give it a little eyes. And a big old good smile. Look at that. He's happy. And then we'll color him in the head. Oh, wait, we're missing the feet. I forgot its feet. For its feet, we can use rectangles. And we color those in. See? It's really easy to draw animals using different shapes. For the octopus, we used big circles, little circles for the bubbles, and we used half circles for the tentacles. For the piggy, we used a big circle, some half circles, and an oval. For the shark, we used 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. And for the body of the shark, we used an oval. And look, I even made the teeth using triangles. For Dory, we used a triangle to make the tail, a triangle for her fin, and an oval to make the body. For our ducky here, all we needed was a triangle for the arm, for its wing, sorry, not its arm, its wing, a triangle for the beak, and then a circle for its head with an oval for the body. And for our bee, let's see, we used a triangle for its stinger right here and an oval for its body. And then to make the stripes, all we did was make some rectangles. These are rectangles, see? 1, 2, 3 rectangles. And then to make some wings for the bee, we just added some half circles. And of course, for the head, we used a circle. And lastly, but not least, for Mr. Turtle here, we used a nice big half circle for its shell. And then we drew a small circle for its head. And to make the feet, or the legs, we just used 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangles. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed. Why don't you try to make some animals using the same simple shapes that we used here? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.